Hello viewers, we are back with another video, and if you are wondering if, let's say, you brought a breadboard or an electronic beginner kit, you will get one of these things. Now if you are wondering what this is a buzzer or a speaker. It makes irritating noise, and it's the same as any type of capacitors. It has an anode and a cathode marked with a positive symbol on the very top. So this is how you can make this work. Let's make a simple circuit one more time, starting with a 9-volt battery, and let's connect this to the positive and negative terminal of our breadboard, and let's just put this anywhere and just keep track on where you put the positive. Now to make the speaker work, you would need a resistor. In this case we will be using we're in 2K, so 0.214. Let's see what type of sound we will be able to produce. And to make things looks better, let's add on some LED lights. So first, put in your resistor on the positive terminal anywhere on the breadboard. Let's just put it here. Okay, then let's put the positive part of your LED next to the resistor, and this will go to your negative terminal on your speaker. Make sure you're putting it in the right one. So basically it's here. Let's adjust the speaker, the resistor I mean. Okay, the circuit is almost complete. Let's put in the switch so that it will, or so that we will have control over the buzzer. Let's put it there, and we just need these wires to connect the negative part of the speaker to the switch, and the switch going to the negative terminal of our breadboard. Now if it's making a sound, then your switch is not put in properly, which is a common mistake I make because the switches are very small. Let's adjust it. There you go. Then if you press it, the LED lights up and the buzzer makes a little beeping noise. Now if you take the LED out of the equation and you put the resistor directly to the terminal where the speaker is connected, it should make a louder noise because LEDs does have a small resistance built into them. And let's see if this will make a better or a more annoying sound. Well, it does. It's so annoying. This is how you can wake up sleeping people. Just keep pressing it, and everyone will be annoyed. This is a simple project that you can use or you can do with your breadboard, and it is very easy and fun. You just need to have a power source, which is a 9-volt battery in this case, a resistor, the buzzer, some wires, and a switch. Now let's do an experiment. Let's replace this resistor with something that has a higher tolerance, such as this type of resistor. Do you think this will make the speaker buzz? No, it doesn't. This has too much this has too much resistance to make the buzzer sound. So the 0.214, or if you have something that is lower, try to use that instead so that you can make this project and make the buzzer sounds. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll go ahead and upload more videos soon. Thank you guys.